Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart trendy sarees collections only for you. So let me display this one. Very smart and bright looks, premium quality silk clean base, fine weaving design work border and all over printed one, digital printed, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is full base part all over kalamkari digital printed one. This one is full base and this one is border portions, fully fine lahariya pattern weaving design work border all over digital printed one. Very nice looks, kalamkari printed. This one is pallu in beautiful smart printed one, fully digital printed and very smart and bright looks. This one is full base all over kalamkari printed one. This one is running blouse piece and same all over printed. Very elegant and bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fashionable and smart looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, wine shade cotton slab material, hand batik printed one. Very elegant and fresh looks, based for your office wear. Very smart one, handloom cotton slab material all over batik printed one. And this one border portions, fully silver patch border with beautiful hand batik printed one, wine shade. Very elegant color combinations. This one is pallu portions, highlighted zari stripes with batik printed. Very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is full base part all over hand batik printed one. Very elegant one, based for your office wear, professional wear. Very smart and bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy weaving Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful weaving border design, baby pink base, golden zari base border and checks design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, baby pink base. And this one is border portions, fully golden zari with highlighted contrast checks design work border. And this one pallu portions, highlighted zari stripes pallu. And this one is full base part. Very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base, smart looks. This one is border portions, baby pink base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant and fresh looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one silk linen base, very smart looks. All over base part is plain with golden zari border. Very smart one. This one is full base, soft, lightweight, easy drapable. This one is beautiful color combinations, base and golden zari border, smart looks. And this one pallu end, beautiful highlighted golden zari stripes pattern, pallu end. And this one is full base part all over base plain with border. Very trendy and fashionable looks, premium quality silk linen base. This one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive smart looks. And this one also very bright and beautiful one, silk linen base, heavy worked border, Banarasi border and all over digital printed one. Very bright looks. This one is full base part all over bright floral digital printed one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base and fully zari weaving, silver zari weaving highlighted border, Banarasi work border and pallu and all over digital printed one. Very bright and fresh looks. This one full base part, very nice color combinations, digital printed base. And this one is Banarasi weaving traditional border and all over bright digital printed one. Very exclusive, smart and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece printed and this one is highlighted Banarasi border and digital printed base and premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, Banarasi work buta, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy and fashionable looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Very beautiful and smart looks, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base with beautiful digital printed one, traditional Banarasi weaving border and very elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, silk linen base, pure handloom silk linen digital printed one, and this one border portions fully weaving design Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful smart digital printed one. This one is fully printed, and this one pallu in golden zari highlighted stripes with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base all over digital printed one, zari weaving Banarasi border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and bright looks. And this one also very nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom Dupian silk material weaving buta work all over base, and contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part, and this one border portions fully temple pattern weaving design work border, contrast color dye all over buta design, very fresh looks. This one is pallu in contrast color dye pallu with pom-pom design, and this one is full base part, soft one, lightweight, fresh looks. This one is all over base Dupian silk material with buta work, self weaving buta work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding fresh looks. And very beautiful one, lightweight based for your daily wear handloom soft silk material all over contrast color stripes, and very lightweight based for your daily wear office wear smart looks. This one full base part all over stripes design, soft, comfortable, smart and fresh looks. This one is pallu portions highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very smart and fresh looks. Handloom soft silk material with highlighted contrast color stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. This one is contrast blouse, very beautiful one. And this one also a beautiful smart one, Madhubani printed one, and semi cotton base, bright color combinations, lightweight smart looks based for your office wear, semi cotton base highlighted Madhubani printed border and pallu, and this one full border portions beautiful Madhubani printed one, and this one is pallu portions Madhubani printed pallu. Smart and fresh look, semi cotton base, lightweight, comfortable, and this one is full base part border portions printed one, Madhubani printed, very elegant looks, and this one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is all over piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric highlighted stripes, printed stripes, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also very beautiful one, tissue cotton material weaving border design all over embroidery buta work, very fresh looks. This one is full base part, contrast color dye border with beautiful silver zari weaving border design and all over buta work, fresh and trendy fashionable looks. Tissue cotton material, very soft one based for your daily wear. This one is pallu portions, contrast color dye highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very smart looks. This one is full base, this portion is border portions, contrast color dye border with highlighted silver zari weaving border and all over fine embroidery buta design, very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. Very beautiful color combinations with coffee brown shade, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base all over buta work, very fresh looks. This one is full base part, and this portion is border portions fully silver zari with contrast color threaded weaving design work border all over buta design, very elegant fresh looks, premium quality pure handloom soft silk linen base, and this one is pallu portions highlighted stripes with with buta work pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. This one is full base all over buta design and highlighted border, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and fresh smart looks. And this one also bright color combinations, orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom, semi organza base, all over zari weaving buta work with golden zari heavy weaving border design. This one full base part, and this portion is golden zari border with highlighted temple pattern weaving design work border all over buta design, very nice looks. Semi organza base, self weaving fine stripes all over base. This one is pallu portions, golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part all over zari weaving buta, and base part is self weaving fine stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, fresh color combinations, and I will suggest this silk material golden shade heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one nice color combinations, blackish shade, soft silk material, contrast color border all over, bright printed one, smart looks, based for your daily wear. This one is full base part all over, bright printed one. This portion is border portions, contrast color border all over, printed one, smart looks, based for your daily wear. This one full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern printed pallu, and this one is border, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart trendy looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And this one also very beautiful one, Dupian silk material, temple pattern weaving design work border all over buta design, very smart looks. This one is full base part, nice color combinations, Dupian silk material, soft one. This portion is border portions, zari weaving zari border with temple pattern weaving design work, highlighted border all over buta design, contrast color, fully weaving buta, and this one pallu portions, fully weaving buta work, highlighted pallu, and this one is all over base free work, and this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks, lightweight also. And this one also very nice and elegant color combinations, handloom soft silk material, and half portions beautiful golden zari weaving polka design, very smart and fresh looks. This one pallu in contrast color dye with golden zari weaving polka design work pallu, and this one full base part. This one is full base, half portion is upper base part to pallu in fully zari weaving polka design. This one is upper base part to pallu, and this portion is pleat section, half portion is plain with zari border. This one is pleats, and this one is upper base part, and this one running blouse piece, very trendy and fashionable looks. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and bright looks. And this one also cotton slab material, fresh sky blue shade, and smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, silver zari border, handloom cotton slab material, soft one, comfortable, smart looks, bright sky blue shade, silver zari border, very fresh and trendy looks. This one is pallu portions, highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu with pom pom design, and this one full base part, smart fresh look, silver zari border, soft one, based for your daily wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart daily looks. And this one very beautiful one, linen cotton fabric, silver zari border all over, bright printed one, smart looks. This one is full base part, based for your daily wear, office wear, linen cotton fabric, silver zari border all over, printed one, bright looks, bright red shade with beautiful smart printed one. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted printed pallu, and this one full base part, very smart and fresh looks, all over printed silver zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over printed one, based for your daily wear smart and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. In a very beautiful one, cotton slab material, beautiful smart printed one, silver zari border, very elegant looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, smart face looks. This one is full base part, all over beautiful smart printed one, silver zari border, cotton slab material, soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is pallu and highlighted silver zari stripes with printed pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant looks. This one is all over printed one, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks. And this one very beautiful and elegant color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, and nice elegant color combination, silver zari border, all over buta design, contrast red with silver zari weaving buta work, very smart looks. This one silver zari border and all over base, beautiful weaving buta work, contrast red with silver zari highlighted weaving buta, and this one pallu portions fully buta work, stripes with buta work pallu, and this one full base part, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart and fresh looks, all over buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric lahariya pattern printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, nice printed one, Madhubani printed. This one is full base part, soft one, smart and bright looks, all over beautiful smart printed one. This one is pallu portions, contrast color highlighted printed pallu, and this one full base part, very smart looks, all over nice printed, very elegant looks. This portion is border portions, contrast color with beautiful highlighted printed one, and this one is all over base, very fresh looks. Cotton slab material, pure handloom one, soft one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And this silk material, heavy Banaras weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.raisefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description bar. And today I have developed a beautiful saree, khadi base, premium quality pure handloom khadi, and all over stripes pattern design, and every stripes are fully weaving design work, stripes all over, same stripes design base, and khadi cotton base, and this one pallu end stripes with weaving work, very nice looks, all over same weaving design base, all over beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.